In this video, you will learn how to take a screenshot on a PC or laptop using any Windows. Currently, you can see here I have opened my YouTube channel, and for demonstration purpose, I will take screenshot of my channel. To take screenshot, go to search and type snipping tool. Currently, you can see here snipping tool option appeared here. Click on it. Here is the option of snipping mode. Click here, and from here select suitable option for you. For example, you can take screenshot in the form of rectangle. You can take screenshot of whole window except taskbar. You can take the screenshot of full screen, or you can take the screenshot of freeform. For example, in this case I will select full screen. After selecting snipping mode, click on this new option. Now you can observe that snipping tool has taken the screenshot of whole screen. Now if you are interested to take screenshot of only window, select here. From here I will choose window option and again go to new option. Click anywhere. Now you will learn how to take the screenshot in the form of rectangle. Again go to snipping mode. From here select rectangle. Go to new. Select the area for screenshot. For example, I want to take screenshot of this area. Now you can observe that snipping tool has taken the screenshot of selected area. Again go to snipping mode, and here is a useful option of freeform. You can select any area according to your requirement. Select this one and again go to new. Now you can select the area according to your choice. Now you can observe that selected area appeared in screenshot. Now you will learn how to use the other useful option of snipping tool. Click here. I will take full screen. Click on new. Maximize its size. And here is the option of copy. You can copy it and paste it according to your requirement. For example, I will paste it in Word document. You can see here that I have copied the screenshot from snipping tool. I will minimize it. Now you will learn how to save this screenshot. Click on save as option. Select the location, file name and click on save. It will be saved on your desktop. Here is a useful option of pencil. Click here. From here you can select the color of pencil as well as the size of pencil, and you can edit it according to your requirement. Here is the option of highlighter. You can highlight any text according to your requirement. Here is the option of eraser. Select this one and use this to delete this one. For example, I will click here. Now you can see here the highlighted is deleted. Here is the option of shapes. You can insert shape according to your requirement. Here is the option of crop. You can crop this image according to your requirement. After selecting the desired area, click on this tick mark and it will be cropped according to your choice. In addition, there is a shortcut for taking screenshot. Press Print Scrn button plus FN button or function button. It will show the options of snipping tool and you can select the area according to your choice. So by following this video, you can easily take a screenshot on a PC or laptop using any Windows such as Windows 7, 8, 9, 10 or 11. In addition, you can also edit this screenshot according to your requirement. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.